guys, so I lied to you guys. I thought I was gonna do 2 videos, but I kept walking down the street and I saw the Latin written on the side of the building. And as you can see, Siglo Universitatis Principtoniensis, right? And then you have Ed Ecclesiastiae, right? So obviously, this is talking about a biblical jurisdiction. We're talking about North and South American Moors that contributed to the greatness of this thing, right? And then again, what do we have here? The face of a Moor on the building, right? That's the phenotype of a Moorish man. You got the arcs. It's the same building, the Peninsula, on the opposite side. I don't know what kind of flag that is. That might be, I have to look that up, right? But obviously there's a whole bunch of different symbolic, sort of like coat of arms and shields, right? Check that out. Screenshot that. Necessaris, Siglo Universitatis, Universitates Concordiae, Pennsylvania's Nova Caesarea, right? Trinitatis Noviembarki. So as you can see, this is real time. I'm not acting here. I'm not playing with nobody's ontological framework. And this is really what it is, as you can see. Right. Oh, and on top of there as well, you got the symbolism right here, the Roman sort of symbolism, and you got the Greek written on here, the Omega, right? So this is what it is, man. I'm not over here, I'm not acting, I'm not bringing no secrets. Drew Ali was the man that told us. He took the veils of all these societies, and this is magnanimous work right here that I think that we should all be able to appreciate. And then on this side, you see some more of the architecture. That's so great. All this stuff is healing, has healing properties. The building echoes on the inside. It's very clean. It always has attendants, men like this, right? So, and on this particular building right here, it has the Ibri writing. So shout out to the brother Kal Sharif El with the Ibri writings and the Moorish connection, right? So this is what it is. This is part 3 of the Peninsula building, 55th Street in New York. Like I said, I didn't plan to do a 3rd video, but I just keep seeing the engravings, the floral designs, the geometry, and the arcs, right? So I'm your boy, Marcoelboriken, the more life right here. Mind-blowing stuff. Love, truth, peace.